All right, guys, and here we are. The build is basically almost complete. I would say about 98% done. I got most of the cablings wired from the GPU to the motherboard, the 24 pin and the EPS cables, as well as the pump cables too as well. Now again, guys, this build is for a Cougar Conquer 2 case. And the way the case is designed with this whole tray going into the case itself, you would want to see the GPU. So this is a 3 bracket or a 3 slot GPU. With the case itself, it only supports a 2. So with this Cooler Master, it's a big help with a 3 slot GPU. Now with the AIO, I do have the pump going downwards and into that direction right here. Now let me turn this around real quick so you guys can see the cable management. I thought I did pretty good with it. And here we have it. I think it's done pretty neat. This is coming out. I'm no longer going to use this. I'm not going to go ahead and use streamers anymore, guys. Plus, this is first gen. I mean, it's pretty old. No one cares about this anymore. So yeah, I'm not going to be ending up using any streamers in this build at all. So I think going this route looks more neat. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. Plus, I think there's enough lighting in the case. You have this right here that lights up. The RAM lights up. And behind the motherboard also lights up, as well as an LCD screen. And the case itself also have LED lights in the front, or RGB. Now I am missing a couple of things to put in here. Obviously the fans, that's someplace downstairs, which I know where those are. But I'm gonna put some fans up on top, as well as I think I'm missing a bracket for right here to install a SSD. So far so good, guys. If you guys have any questions about this build, please let me know down below. Now I wonder if Cooler Master has a bracket that also tilts. I gotta look into that one. One thing I noticed that this PSU is a little smaller than what I'm used to. The last PSU that was in here was by Be Quiet, and it actually filled this whole gap right here. So you can tell this very small CPU. But that's okay. Now this build only has M.2s installed for storage. Once this is sold, then you have a lot of time or space to add more storage into when you're ready. For example, you can add storage here, 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 and here. Oh, and here too as well. All right, for the specs, you got the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D 650 mixer, LiveMixer, with the install Wi-Fi M.2, Corsair Dominators 32, Asrock Tachi GPU 24 gigs of fun PSU